We have our 2-box 2023 Gold Rush Lightning Multisport. This was 4 random teams. Good luck, guys. All right, we have 2020 Topps WWE Transcendent John Cena Superstar Tribute to BGS 9.5 gem. See if we can get these to focus. These are like thicker baggage slabs are the worst. John Cena is victorious in 3 stages of Hell match. I don't believe that's numbered. Unless I'm tripping. I don't think so. Just a cool little insert. That's gone to the all other spot. And Adam. Box 2. '2021 Panini Instant Mac Jones rated rookie retro gem mint PSA 10. That's gone to the Pats and Ryan. That's Mac Jones, PSA 10. Congrats on that. That was 2-box break number 2. We have number 3 up next.